Hi, my name is Justin Anderson. I'm Assistant Store Director here at Jewel-Osco. Today we had our Festa Italiana event. Consisted of a couple dozen demo tables. Our customers got to enjoy food from Italy with lots of different beverages and got to enjoy themselves today. Today at the store we featured brands from Racconto, Del Alpi, Alessi. We had Buena Beef here today, Lavazza Coffee also.
Hi, I'm Bob Rubinelli, President of Rubinelli Incorporated, Del Alpi Italian Foods. We're here today at Jewel on a promotional presentation where we're showing some of our products we import from Italy.
I started with the pizza sauce, but this bolognese sauce is very, very good. I'm working my way over to the truffle oil next.
Greetings from Jewel-Osco, the Filippo Berio sampling event here at the Festa Italiana. Really appreciate being a part of this event. It's been a great way to show the different ways that you can use Filippo Berio in various products.
Don't you know, calling a trap, I can't walk out now, because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know, calling a trap, I can't walk out now, because I love you too much, baby.
Hey, it's Alabama with Big 95.5. We're at Jewel-Osco with our lucky winner James for your gift basket, and you've won a class, a cooking class for you and 11 of your friends, so you can make some awesome Italian food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Jewel, for the great samples that you provided today. This was especially fantastic, Faro. I recommend it for everybody for a quick snack.
Thank you, Jewel, for the $25 and the gift certificate.
Hi, my name is Sherry and my best friend Sharon. We're here at Jewel's enjoying your Festa Italiana. It's very delicious. I really want to thank Jewel's for all they have done.
Well, Jewel, thank you so much for this Italian day. It was really refreshing and a lot of fun. So it was wonderful to taste some different dishes, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.